Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by measuring ingredients. Use 4 quarts, 3.8 L water for 1 lb, 450 g pasta and 1 tablespoon salt to season the pot. Measure roughly 100 g pasta per person for portion control, fresh or dried. Prepare sauce ingredients and set a 1/2 cup bowl to reserve starchy pasta water. Keep 2 tablespoon olive oil or 1 tablespoon butter nearby for finishing. Bring water to a rolling boil before adding pasta to ensure even cooking and prevent sticking. When the water reaches a rolling boil, add pasta and stir for the first 30 seconds to prevent clumping. Follow package times, but cook for 8-12 minutes total, testing for al dente texture beginning at 7 minutes. Al dente means slightly firm in the center. While pasta cooks, scoop out 1/2 cup starchy pasta water and set aside. This will loosen sauces without diluting flavor. Do not rinse. Draining should be quick and minimal to retain surface starch for sauce adhesion. Transfer drained pasta into a saucepan with the heated sauce and toss over low heat to combine. Add reserved 1/2 cup pasta water a few tablespoons at a time until the sauce reaches the desired emulsion and gloss. Finish with 2 tablespoon olive oil or 1 tablespoon butter and toss for 30 seconds, then remove from heat and let sit for 1 minute so flavors marry. Plate immediately, topping with grated cheese, fresh herbs, or a squeeze of lemon. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.